friends. I'm Sade, a designer at 17. Some of you may know me from Beauty Lab with Kelsey. I'm so excited to introduce you to this new series called Lay Your Edges with Sade. Woo! In this series, I'll be showing you quick and easy ways to style and maintain your hair so you can slay any day of the week. So in this first video, I'll be showing you 5 ways to wear a scarf with box braids. So before starting any major style, it's important to keep your baby hairs, keep your edges laid. Some people use edge control. Personally, I like to keep it classic with an old toothbrush and some Eco Styler gel. And then once my edges are laid, I pull my scarf, wrap it around my head, leave it on for a few minutes, and voila, perfectly laid baby hairs. To achieve this Janet Jackson-inspired poetic justice look, first things first, throw your hair up into a super high ponytail and secure it with a band. I like to use a long elastic band to secure my hair in place. You definitely have to pull some braids up so that way it's smooth and the ponytail is resting as high as possible on top of your head. Using the scarf of your choice, roll it into a band. This is what you're going to use to wrap around your head. And then starting from the back, tie it forward once and then twist it around your ponytail, tying it again. That way you can tuck any loose ends into the ponytail itself, and then just arrange and adjust. Pull the scarf down, pull your braids out until you achieve your desired look. And voila! To get this braided twist look, divide your hair in half and secure the back half of your hair with an elastic band into a low ponytail. Now, for the front half of your hair, you want to start from the back. Braid your hair forward all the way into the end until you have one large braid. Roll your scarf into a band and tie it so that the front makes a bow. Tuck the loose ends into your scarf. Take the large braid in the front and twist it back so that you can tuck it into your ponytail. And bam, there you have it, a great look for a girl's night out. This super cute side ponytail is definitely one of my favorites because you can do it in 3 easy steps. You can start by putting your hair up into a high ponytail, use an elastic band to secure your hair in place so that you have no loose braids. And then twist your scarf and simply wrap it around the band. And boom, done. Super cute high ponytail for the day. So this look I especially love to do when I need to run out the house and I don't feel like doing my edges. It's a great way to look cute in a flash. Anytime I leave my hair down, I love to throw a little bit of mousse in there. It keeps your braids looking nice and removes any frizz and flyaways. So to apply mousse, put an ample amount into the palm of your hand and then run your hands through the braids from root to tip. Roll your scarf into a band and wrap it around the back of your head. Make sure it's resting a little bit lower on your head so that way it doesn't slide up when you go to tie it in front. Tie it in the front once and then twist it all the way down till you reach the ends. Then take the twist and roll it around on itself until it forms a knot at the top of your head and tuck the loose ends. And done. So for this look, it's the absolute most simple way to wear a scarf. You're just making it a headband. You can start by sweeping your hair back. Take your scarf and roll it a little bit thinner since you want it to have a headband effect. Pull it around the back of your head, tie it around your hair once, twice again to the bow, and then take the 2 loose ends on the sides and tuck them both in so that way you have a very quick, very easy, cute little bow look. I love this look because it's super easy. It's a great style to do when you just want your hair out of your face. As always, thanks for watching. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe below. Leave a comment. Let me know what other hairstyles you'd love to see me try. Bye.